Since Mr. Block isn't the villain in this AU, everyone getting infected or killed was not his fault. Instead, it was someone else's fault. But this new villain is currently unknown, so at the moment, no one actually knows who caused the chaos. So for now, the only thing everyone can do is run, hide, fight, or pray. Also, if you want to see more characters or OCs, let me know in the comments.